What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric Arami. So today's video is going to be kind of like a detail video for my 2020 Camaro LT1. This is the first time I'm working with slow motion and stuff like that in editing, so I hope you guys like it. Okay, to the video we go. Bye. Well guys, you've reached the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and big shout out to the homie Eric Avakian for helping me with all the shots. I'm gonna link all his Instagram, YouTube, everything down in the bio. So make sure to go watch his videos. He does a lot of car stuff, a lot of cool car stuff. So make sure you guys go over there, tell him I sent you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.